हेलो बच्चों, आज हम पैसेज 4 सॉल्व करेंगे सीसैट 2013 का। तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम वी विल रीड द पैसेज। द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी हैज़ बिकम सीवियरली मडल्ड बिकॉज ऑफ द वे द रेटोरिक सराउंडिंग इट हैज़ बीन यूज्ड इन द रिसेंट ईयर्स. So we will underline these lines. There is increasingly an oddly confusion dichotomy between those who want to impose democracy on countries in the non-Western world, in these countries' own interest of course, and those who are opposed to such a imposition because of the respect for the country's own wits. But the entire language of imposition used by both sides is extraordinarily inappropriate, since it makes the implicit assumption that democracy belongs exclusively to the West, taking it to be quite essentially Western idea which has originated and flourished only in the West. But the thesis and the pessimism it generates about the possibility of democratic practice in the world would be extremely hard to justify. There were several experiments in local democracy in ancient India. Indeed, in understanding the roots of democracy in the world, we have to take an interest in the history of people participation and public reasoning in different parts of the world. We have to look beyond thinking of democracy only in terms of European and American evolution. We would fail to understand the pervasive demands for participatory living on which Aristotle spoke with far-reaching insight if we take democracy to be a kind of specialized cultural product of the West. It cannot, of course, be doubted that the institutional structure of the contemporary practice of democracy is largely the product of European and American experience over the last few centuries. This is extremely important to recognize, since these developments in institutional formats were immensely innovative and ultimately effective. There can be little doubt that there is a major Western achievement here. So underline again these lines. So now we will solve the questions. First question: which of the following is the closest to the view of democracy as mentioned in the above passage? तो जो भी व्यू ऑथर ने डिस्कस किया है डेमोक्रेसी के बारे में, वो क्लोजेस्ट व्यू इनमें से कौन सा है, तो ये बताना है. तो वी विल रीड द स्टेटमेंट्स वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट: द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी इज अ मॉडल ड्यू टू डिज़ायर टू पोर्ट्रे इट एज अ वेस्टर्न कंसेप्ट एलियन टू नॉन वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज. सो ये गिवन है पैसेज में कि सब्जेक्ट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी इज़ अ मॉडल ड्यू टू डिज़ायर टू पोर्ट्रेट इट एज अ वेस्टर्न कंसेप्ट एंड एलियन टू नॉन वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज. बट ये एलियन कंसेप्ट नहीं है नॉन वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज़ के लिए, तो ये स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है. वी विल एलिमिनेट दिस स्टेटमेंट. Second statement: the language or imposition of democracy is unappropriate. There is, however, a need to consider this concept in the backdrop of cultural of own ways of non-Western society. So this is again हाफ स्टेटमेंट जो है वो करेक्ट है, हाफ स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है, इसलिए इसे एलिमिनेट कर देंगे. कि सी स्टेटमेंट है: while democracy is not essentially a Western idea belonging exclusively to the West, the institutional structure of current democratic practices has been their contribution. So, this is given in the passage in the first para. Okay? But the entire language of imposition used by both the sides is extraordinarily inappropriate, since it makes the implicit assumption that democracy belongs exclusively to the West, taking it to be quite essentially Western idea which has originated and flourished only in the West. So ये जो स्टेटमेंट है वो करेक्ट है, और द इंस्टीट्यूशनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द करंट डेमोक्रेटिक प्रैक्टिसेस हैज़ बीन देयर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन. तो करंट डेमोक्रेटिक प्रैक्टिसेस के लिए उनका कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन है. एंड और ये इसेंशियल नहीं है कि ये डेमोक्रेसी जो है वो वेस्टर्न आइडिया ही हो एक्सक्लूसिवली टू द वेस्ट। तो ये जो व्यू है वो करेक्ट है कि ऑथर को बताना है कि डेमोक्रेसी जो है कंसेप्ट वो वेस्टर्न आइडिया ही नहीं है, वेस्टर्न का ही कंसेप्ट नहीं है। तो उसने सिर्फ कंट्रीब्यूशन किया है इस कंसेप्ट के लिए, तो इसलिए सी स्टेटमेंट जो होगा वो करेक्ट होगा और डी भी हम एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विथ रेफरेंस टू द पैसेज द फॉलोइंग assumptions have been made. Assumption is nothing but hidden part, the intention of the author, so this is not given directly in the passage. So we need to understand the meaning of the passage and then we need to solve it. So we will read the statements first. Many of the non-Western countries are unable to have democracy because they take democracy to be a specialized cultural product of the West. So this is not given in the passage at all, so we can eliminate this option directly. Western countries are always trying to impose democracy on non-Western countries. This statement is using extreme word always, so we can eliminate this option also. So neither 1 nor D nor 2 is the correct answer for this question. So I hope so all of you understood well. If you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section and we will solve the next passage in the next lecture. So learn with fun, do not take burden and enjoy learning. Thanks for watching.